Hi and welcome. In this Skillshare class, I'm going to show you how you can use Audacity to edit your audio. So if you are a YouTuber or you want to create podcasts, I'm going to show you how you can do something better with your audio. I will try to make this as short as possible. So what I'm going to do is I will record an audio that we can use in the class, and then we're going to see how we can edit that audio. So go ahead and start watching the videos right now. So in this video, let's see the version of Audacity that I'm using. So if I come here under help, I can go and check the Audacity version. And I'm currently using 2.2. I haven't updated in a while. So if you're watching this video after this, you're definitely going to get a higher version of Audacity, and you can follow along with that. And another thing also, if you want to change the microphone that you will be using, if you have microphones that are attached on your PC, then you can change the microphone that you'll use for recording right here. In some cases, you'll have to restart Audacity once you make these changes, okay? So just find the microphone that you're using here, and you can change the microphone to reflect the one that you're using right here. And then the audio output, if you want to change the output for the audio, you can change that as well here. So if you're on Windows and you don't know which speaker or which earphone, which headphone you want to use, you can just come here. You can come down here. If you are on a Windows PC, you go into sounds, you right click, and then you check the playback devices. So here you can see all the devices that you currently have. So you can test to see which one you want to use. You can also make whichever device that you want to use, you can make it as the default sound device. So once you know the device that you want to use, you can just come here and you can choose your speaker or your headphone right here. And you can also change the microphone. So that's it for this video. In the next video, we're going to come here and we're going to record an audio that we can use throughout this class for demonstrations. So I will see you in the next video. So in this video, let's record an audio that we can use in this class for all our demonstrations. Even if you want to record your own audio for whichever purpose, then this is how you can do it. You'll just come here and you'll click on record. This will record the audio, and this can play audio, this can pause an audio, this will stop the audio. So to record an audio, just click here and make sure your microphone is working. So I can record my audio. So this is just a sample audio that we're going to use in this class. And you can see that it's not recording because I haven't chosen the right microphone. You can just restart. Once you change the microphone that you want to use, then go ahead and restart Audacity. Save changes, no. So after changing my microphone, I can record my audio. So this is just an audio test that we are using for this class to ensure that everything is working the way that we want them to work. And we're going to use this audio for all our examples. Okay, that's it. So just click there to pause the recording. Okay. So at this point, what I want to do is I want to export this audio, and I want to export it as a WAV file. So click here under file and then save other. And then you can export as MP3, as a WAV file, and I want to export mine as a WAV file. So you will not be able to export as MP3 if you don't have the codec for this. This is something you'll have to download when you want to import as MP3. So I will export as a WAV file. Give the recording a name down here, and then you can click on save. And when you click on save, you're going to get this metadata, and you can use the metadata for your audio. So your artist name, all that, and you can save this. You can save the metadata and then set it as a default. So for me, I'm just going to use this and I'm going to say okay. So that's it for this video. In this video, I've just recorded an audio that I can use in this tutorial. So in the next video, let's see how we can start editing this recording, and you're going to see how to do that step by step. So the first thing that most people want to do when they're editing their audio on Audacity is they want to do noise reduction. And you can do noise reduction on Audacity by just selecting, first of all, you select a sample and then you come here under effects and you can choose noise reduction. But first of all, the thing that I want to do is I want to increase the audio. So I can just do this a simple way by coming here under effects, make sure you select the audio and then you normalize the audio to a certain level. So by normalizing the level, you're going to increase the decibels. You're going to increase the volume of this, the overall volume. So we are not seeking perfection. When I'm editing my audio, I don't seek perfection. I just want something that will work well and people won't be complaining about the audio quality. I can normalize this to an amplitude of -3 dB. So you normally want anything that is less than 0. 0 is where your max should be. If you want the maximum level, you can go to 0. But normally, just do something less than 0. And in my case, I prefer to do -3 decibels. So here you can also do a preview. So this is just an audio test and you'll see the audio quality is much higher. So when I do OK, this is going to normalize the audio and you can see the wave has increased. The sizes of the waves have increased. So in this video, you've seen how you can normalize the audio to try and increase the sound of this audio. So if you do anything, just remember that when you're normalizing the audio, it's going to amplify all the waves. If I play it, working the way that we want them to work, and we're going to use this audio. So if I play it, just keep your eye here and make sure that it doesn't pass this level. Okay, that's what you want. You can even see that 0 is put as a max. Anything above 0 it's just going to make bad audio. It's going to give you a bad audio quality. So make sure when you're normalizing, it's less than 0, and you can do -3. You can even do -6. Normally, I prefer -3. That's pretty much it for this, and I will see you in the next video. In the next video, let's see how we can reduce the noise on this. So if you play this, you can hear that we have some noise there, and we don't want the noise. So we're going to reduce the noise on this. So I will see you in the next video.